GeoByte.
Welcome to the GeoByte Part 2. Part 2 Multiples and Factors. Previous year questions. The total number of factors of 24 is. This is the logic first of all. So, total how many factors of the 24? First, original method. This 24 divided by 1, 24 divided by 2, 24 divided by the 3, 24 divided by 4, divided by the 6, divided by the 8, divided by 12, divided by 24. Total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer okay. Answer is okay. But in the examination, time taken. That's why, first of all, this 24 written as product of the prime numbers. Product of the prime factors, prime numbers. So 3 into 8. 8 is not a prime number, you know already. So 2 cube, you can write like this. Okay, here 3, 1. No? Okay, no? Then number of factors, logic, number of factors, x power a into y power b into z power c. Like here x, y, z is a prime numbers, prime factors. A, B, C are the powers. Then number of factors, a plus 1 into b plus 1 into c plus 1, like etc. This is number of factors. So first here 1 plus 1 into 3 plus 1. So 2 into 4. So what is the answer? 8. Answer 8. Number of factors means that number written as a product of the prime number. Okay, na? So here 2 3 times. So 3 1 time. These powers you can take 1 plus 1, 3 plus 1, then product. Got it, students? Okay, na? Next. Which of the following is not a factor of 316? Not a factor of the 316. Which of the following is not a factor of 316? Any number also 1 is a factor. For any number 1 is a factor. So it is a factor. But he is asking not factor. Okay. Then 316 is divisible by 8. Right or wrong? You can check. 8 to 3 is 24. 316. 8 3 is 24. 76. 8 9 72. It is not divisible exactly. It is not divisible exactly. So we have some reminder. We have some reminder means it is not a factor. So this is not a factor. So not a factor means answer 8. Answer is 2. I mean key. This key is 2. This 316 is divisible by the 79. Right or wrong? You can check. Okay, 4 times. 4 times. 79 into 4. 4 9 36. 4 7 28, 31. So cancel. 158. 316 by 158. Exactly 2 times cancel. So this 316 is divisible by 1. This 316 divisible by 79. This 316 divisible by 158 also. Got it? So this 316 does not divisible by, okay na? This 316 does not divisible by does not divisible by 8 only. So 8 is the answer. Next, how many times does 9 come in writing the number from 1 to 100? From 1 to 100. Okay. We have to solve directly. There is no indirect method, shortcut. First 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here last one is 9. Okay, na? So 9, 19, 29, 39, 49, 59, 69, 79, 89. Here 9 came. Okay. How many times does 9 come in writing the number from 1 to 100? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up to now 9. After that 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. So count the values 9s here. Already 9 we have. Already we had a 9. So 9 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 99 means 2 times 11. So what is the answer totally? 20 is the answer. Okay, children, answer 20. Next, factors of 30 are. This type of questions, factors of 30 are 30 factors 1 and itself compulsory. So 1 30. But in option 1, there is no 1, there is no 30. In option 2, 1 okay, but there is no 30. In option 3, 1 okay, there is no 30. So what is the remaining option? 4th. By using option wise answer. This type of questions asking in examination, you can select any number also. Suppose 1 and itself is the factors. So 1 and itself, factors of 30. 1 and itself means 1 and 30. But 1, 2, 3 options, there is no 30. So wrong. Last option is the right answer. Okay. Next. The sum of the 4 multiples of 6. Of 6. Of 6 means 6 ka. Okay. 6 multiples. 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 2 is 12, 18, 24. Add all the value. 8, 16, 20. So 60 is the answer. But logic, children, listen. Sum of n terms. This is S n. N by 2 into a plus L. A meaning first term. L meaning last. Okay. L meaning last. 6 multiples. 6 multiples means what is the answer? S n. N by 2 into a plus L. N meaning number of terms. A meaning first term. L meaning last term. Okay, now first number how to calculate? 6 into 1. 6 is the multiple. 6 into 1, 6 is the first number. They're asking 4 multiples. So they're asking 4 means 6 plus 24. That is the last. Okay, Sn. Total number of terms 4 by 2. A, what is the starting? 6th, 6. Last, 4th. So 6 plus 24. So 2 2's cancel. 2 into 30. Answer 60. This is the answer. This formula you can remember. Sum of the n numbers is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. N meaning number of terms, A meaning first term, L meaning last term. Okay. In case if you are confused, apply direct method. 6 1 6 6 2 is 12. Okay. 6 plus 12 plus 18 plus 24. Okay. So 18 and 36 and 60 is the answer. Direct answer. Okay. Question is very easy, then apply directly. Question is very lengthy, then apply formula. Okay. But don't by head formula. Sum of the first 5 multiples of the 6. 6 first 5 multiples. Okay. First 5. These two questions also previous year questions. That's the same numbers. 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. So answer up to now already know 8, 16, 20, 0. 90 is the answer. Already know. In case if you remember the logic, then apply n by 2 into a plus l. N means number of terms of 5 by 2. First one is 6, 1, 6. Fifth multiple, 5 multiples means fifth multiple, 6 by 30. 5 by 2 into 36. 2 18s cancel. 5 18s 90. Okay, some students, some children, if you remember, then apply. In case you don't know, not a problem, leave it. Calculate originally, you got the answer. Okay. Next, the sum of the first 7 multiples of the 13 is approximately, they're asking approximately. So 7 multiples of the 13, so time taken. That's why approximately Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Number of terms 7 by 2. A plus L. A means first term. So 13 into 1, 13 is the first. Seventh multiple. So seventh multiple means 13 into 7. Okay na? 91. 7 into, okay na? 13 into 7. 104 by 2. 7 into 2 5s and 2s 52. Okay. 7 into 52. 7 2s are 14. 1. 7 3 is 35. 36. 3 6 4. 364, what is the nearest value? 365 is the answer. Okay, children. In case you know the answer directly, then your method. Suppose question is a very lengthy, then apply this method. Only 2 multiples or 3 multiples means directly you can calculate. Okay, thank you. Do you have any doubt? Immediately raise. Our GeoByte team will respond to your doubts. Thank you.
GeoByte.